In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best ideal world discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for ideal world discount promo code. Go to this website which is called Hot UK Deals, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts and some deals as well. So if you want to get this one with a 10% discount, you can simply tap on this button where it says see code. And this is the promo code right here that you can easily copy, and you can use this one so that you can get a 10% discount of your next order. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called voucher discount, and right here you'll see that we have a list with other promo codes that we can use in order to get some benefits. So let's say for example that you want to get this 15% discount of your first order. All you need to do is just select the button right here where it says show code, and now we have to wait a little bit for the voucher code to load up, and after that we should be able to copy this one and use it so that we can get the 10% discount. So you can just tap right here on this pop-up window, and this is the promo code that you can copy, and you can use this one to get a 15% discount of your first order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.